In Lesson 4, we will learn about something very important: the variables. Let's imagine that the variables is like a box in which we can store many things. Let's name this variable box. In JavaScript, the variables are written as var. So now we have created a variable with the name box. Let's talk about Alex. Alex goes to school every day. Alex has a lot of friends there. The kids love Alex. Alex has a little dog. The dog likes to play with Alex. Suppose we want to talk about Rania. We have to change the name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Want to see now how to talk about Rania really quick, using variables? Let's take our variable box and replace the name Rania with our variable. Now we will see the magic. We put the name Rania into the variable box. Let's write it down in JavaScript. Var box equals Rania. Notice, every text in JavaScript must be written between quotes. JavaScript, every time it sees the variable box, reads the content of the variable box. In this case, the name Rania. So, for example, although we see the name of our variable box in the text, JavaScript reads, Rania goes to school every day. The same goes for all next sentences. To understand this better, let's change again the content of our variable to Tom. JavaScript now reads, Tom goes to school every day. Are you getting bored? Or you want to see another example? Let's create a variable x. We give the value of number 5. Notice, numbers do not need quotes. Let's create another variable y with the value of 6. Last, we create a new variable z equals the value of x plus y. Guess the result of the value z? Number 11. If we change the value of variable x to 10, can you guess the result? X plus y equals to 16.